Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Dodge Charger backup camera. First, let's start with the basics. Begin by checking if your camera lens is dirty or obstructed, as this is a common cause of poor image quality. Also, ensure all visible cable connections are secure. Next, locate and inspect the camera's fuse. A blown fuse can prevent the camera from receiving power. Finally, try a quick system reset of your infotainment unit to resolve any temporary software issues. Moving on, let's delve deeper into electrical and software troubleshooting. Carefully examine the wiring harness connected to your backup camera for any signs of damage, fraying, or corrosion, which can disrupt the signal. Next, confirm that your Dodge Charger's infotainment system software is fully updated, as outdated software can cause functionality problems. If issues persist, a factory reset of the Uconnect system might be needed to clear deeper software conflicts. Now, let's focus on the hardware itself. Visually inspect the camera unit for any physical damage, cracks, or signs of water intrusion, which can permanently disable the device. If you have a multimeter, test the camera's power supply to ensure it's receiving the correct voltage. If all other troubleshooting steps fail and you've confirmed power, the camera module itself might be faulty and require replacement for proper function. Finally, know when it's time to call in the experts. If you've tried these steps and your backup camera still isn't working, or if you're uncomfortable with electrical diagnostics, it's best to consult a certified technician. They have specialized tools and expertise to diagnose complex issues accurately. Remember, regular cleaning of your camera lens can prevent many common malfunctions. Also, for other great deals and to stay hydrated, check out the link in the description for an Owala water bottle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.